Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to install guest editions on Ubuntu 18 desktop Linux running within Oracle VirtualBox. So you go to Devices, then select Insert Guest Editions CD image. On the next screen you select Run to run the script, and the script will now run in the background. Okay, after you enter your password of course, so you just enter your password here. Okay, so because this is a new installation, I'm presented with some options. So I'm just going to click on Next for them. Next again, and next again here. And done here. Okay, the script is now completed, so we just need to restart our virtual machine for the changes to take effect. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like. Should you wish to see further videos from myself, please click on subscribe. And do not forget to hit the notification bell should you wish to get alerted when I upload further videos. Thank you very much for your time.